Hello, I'm Josh from Track-A-Little and welcome back to my garden. So just about a month ago, we planted my summer hanging baskets. We done that on Easter Sunday, and it was a very fun experience to say the least. Now, we weren't too sure how these summer hanging baskets were going to turn out. Some people thought they were going to turn out good, some people thought they were going to turn out bad. I wasn't too sure myself, but now I'm very happy to show you what they look like. A month later, they're all fully bloomed, and they are looking absolutely lovely. And as always, my garden helper is here with me, with my other garden helper as well. So this is the results a month later from when we planted them. The hanging basket is looking absolutely lovely. It's come along really well, had no issues. I haven't cleaned the plant up, so there's probably a few dead heads and bits on there that I will clean up eventually, and I do need a good watering today. But this is what it looks like. They've all come out looking really lovely. Love the colour contrast. It is just all round gone really well. Like there, I can pull that one off, to be honest, but the rest of them really lovely, looking really well, and it's come out surprisingly really well. So if you haven't seen our other video where we planted these lovely hanging baskets, I'll link it down below. Definitely go give it a watch because it shows how we've actually planted all the plants into the basket, put the soil in from the very beginning to the very end, and right here to where we are now. And these baskets, they're just absolutely lovely. I can't believe how well they've come out, how well the colours look. They smell lovely. It's just gone really well. And I will just put a photo up right here now showing what they look like when we first planted them compared to what it is right now, which is looking absolutely lovely. So some other updates that I thought I'd just quickly show you that are in the garden right now is we've got this lovely bit of rhubarb. We've already picked some bits from it and had some rhubarb already. Going to continue picking it for the rest of the season, but it is looking lovely. Definitely got a lot there that we can use. Something else that's coming along really well with my strawberries. Looking lovely, coming along. Not long before they get big, but right now they don't look like much. So there you go, that's just a quick little update on the hanging baskets. We've got loads more stuff coming up. Definitely watch this space. It's going to be really fun this summer. Going to have a lovely little tropical oasis in our garden, and I can't wait to share it all with you. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.